If you need to cancel a subscription on Cash App, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to the profile icon. Tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Privacy and Security. Scroll down and find the Privacy and Security option. Tap on it to access your privacy settings. Step 4. Manage subscriptions. Look for the subscriptions section within the privacy settings. Here, you'll see a list of all active subscriptions linked to your Cash App account. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Find the subscription you wish to cancel and tap on it. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation message to ensure it has been successfully cancelled. Once you have completed these steps, your subscription will be cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Cash App support for assistance.